hear me, but this is Sport Plus mode. So this will give you the most pops and bangs, I guess you would call them. This is the Eurocharged Stage 1 car, and it's pretty aggressive. This is the stock performance exhaust from Mercedes. And yeah, I got all the windows down, and I will let you guys hear it. One thing I will say is it doesn't pop and bang on downshifts like the stock tune does, which I'm not a fan of, but it is what it is. That was about 4,000 RPMs. Like I said, it's pretty aggressive, almost too aggressive for my taste. Alright, this guy wants to pull up with his truck and trailer. Lady mowing the woods. That's great. I will say, other than the benefit of the pops and bangs, this tune, the tune is amazing. This car absolutely hauls now. I've got a couple draggy runs in, and I think the car ran 1172 with a 372 0 to 60. I'll try and get draggy runs to post, but this car hauls now. I'm not going to do anything too crazy on public roads. It's the neighborhood, but you get the idea.